Could it be that this book is giving you license to go ahead and guzzle ice cream to feel better? Well, yes. Yes, it is. Picture this. It's a hot summer day and you're feeling a bit stressed out. Your mind is racing 1,000,000 miles a minute, and you need something to calm you down and settle your nerves. That's where ice cream comes in. This beloved treat contains an amino acid called L-tryptophan, which can reduce nervous system activity. That's right. This natural tranquilizer is known for helping to reduce anxiety and promote sleepiness. Additionally, the sheer act of indulging in a delicious treat can be a mood booster in and of itself. But there's also some science behind it. Eating ice cream can release endorphins in your brain that make you feel good. Plus, the cool and creamy sensation of ice cream can be quite soothing on a hot day. So next time you're feeling a bit anxious, don't hesitate to reach for a scoop, or two, of your favorite flavor. It might just do wonders for your happiness, fulfillment, and contentment. It's not just a tired movie cliche that unhappy people need an immediate dose of Ben & Jerry's to lift a bad mood. It turns out that there's research to support the idea of ice cream as the ultimate comfort food. The Center for Neuroimaging Sciences conducted a study in 2010 to dig deep and understand why ice cream felt so good for those who were feeling bad. The researchers asked 8 brave and selfless souls to eat ice cream while undergoing an fMRI scan. What they found was interesting. Eating the frozen dessert activated the orbitofrontal cortex, which is heavily implicated in the pleasure and reward circuitry of the brain. So, if after a bad day you feel a rush of soothing calm after eating a few mouthfuls of ice cream, now you know why. Your orbitofrontal cortex is releasing feel-good neurotransmitters. Importantly, ordinary food doesn't seem to register the same response. This could be that ice cream has pleasant childhood memories and associations attached to it, and is something we culturally consider a special treat. The psychodynamically oriented may even wonder if there's something more primally satisfying about ice cream, since it dimly recalls our very first and arguably most satisfying comfort food, breast milk. You're probably wondering if eating ice cream every time you feel a little low is really such a smart idea. Isn't sugar and processed food bad for you? Well, yes. The research today is overwhelmingly in favor of a healthy diet for supporting well-being. And in this case, healthy means low in trans fats, sugar, and processed foods. Epidemiologist Felice Jacka of Deakin University in Australia wanted to assess scientifically the effect of a good diet on mental health. In a 2017 study of 67 participants, half were given nutritional guidance to improve their diet, while the other half were only given social support. After 12 weeks, the group with the improved diet guidance reported feeling happier than the other group. Dr. Jacka explained, whole, unprocessed diets, higher in plant foods, healthy forms of protein, and fats are consistently associated with better mental health outcomes. These diets are also high in fiber, which is essential for gut microbiota. We're increasingly understanding that the gut is really the driver of health, including mental health, so keeping fiber intake high through the consumption of plant foods is very important. A German study from the University of Konstanz found the same result. A diet high in plants led to higher overall happiness levels. Though other food categories influenced happiness, they consistently found that it was fruit and vegetables that contributed most to well-being. You've heard it before. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, good fats, nuts, whole grains, and lean meats is the best for overall health and wellness. So, what about our ice cream cure? Looking at the data available, it's likely best to consider ice cream a quick-fix happiness intervention rather than a long-term approach. Though ice cream is delicious, and a carrot won't pick you up after a breakup, consistently eating refined and sugary foods is likely to decrease happiness in the long run, not increase it. Also, since ice cream is one of those foods that most of us have registered as a pleasurable special treat, part of the pleasure we derive from it probably comes from the fact that we don't eat it all that often. If ice cream isn't really your thing, and you have some other much-loved comfort food, the same rule applies. This has been The Anxiety Cure, 37 science-based 5-minute methods to beat back the blues, stay positive, and finally relax. Written by Nick Trenton, narrated by Russell Newton. Copyright 2023 by Nick Trenton. Production copyright by Nick Trenton.